Welcome back. We saw plenty of sunshine earlier in the day. Now clouds are starting to move in ahead of our next storm system that'll be here by tomorrow. This is looking out on our 41 sky view overlooking downtown Dublin, where we have seen our temperatures back in the 80s and now falling into the 70s. 77 degrees out there right now. Dew points are in the upper 30s, so a little bit more humidity than what we're seeing further to the north. Places like Forsyth, where we're seeing those dew points in the teens. So we will start to see more of that humidity pushing in overnight and into tomorrow. Once again, along with the rainfall. But today was a little bit of a chilly start. We knew that was going to be possible. 41 degrees out there for this morning. Made it up to 78 though this afternoon here in Macon. 77 normal for this time of year, and we're going to start to see those temperatures cooling off by tomorrow with the rain and the cloud cover. See that already further to our south right now, sitting at 73 in Montgomery and 69 over in New Orleans. But you head just a little bit further to the north, a lot of 70s and 80s out there. So we will continue to see temperatures mainly in the 70s and 60s for tomorrow as we start to see more of this cloud cover throughout the day. But right now, kind of the main focus is on the area of low pressure that is currently approaching parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. We, however, are going to be part of these kind of outer bands that will be pushing in as we are heading into tomorrow afternoon. So our latest look at our stormcast, this system going to start pushing in as we are heading into the early morning hours for tomorrow. Just very kind of outer bands. And with these storms, we are going to see the possibility for some stronger storms and even a little bit of rotation out there as well. But that's going to come later on in the afternoon. So these morning showers, really not a whole lot to worry about. We will see some pockets of some heavier rainfall and maybe some rumbles of thunder, but it's really going to be once this warm front starts moving in a little bit closer. So anytime after around 1 or 2 is going to be our better chance for some stronger storms out there with this system. That's going to linger into the early evening. Once again, it's mainly going to be in band form, so not everybody going to see the rain at the same time. We do get a little bit of a break overnight, but by Friday morning, another round of showers is back as that low pressure starts to move through our area. That being said, this is not going to be a total rain out for Friday night. So if you're trying to make Friday night plans, you should actually be okay. Just scattered showers then. As we're moving into Saturday, we are going to see sunshine returning. Saturday is going to be such a nice day. We get back into the 80s. So really make the outdoor plans for Saturday. Otherwise, I would say try and stay inside the next couple of days. For tomorrow, once again, that level 1 threat for some strong and severe storms will be out there. We're looking at potential for isolated tornadoes, damaging wind gusts. We can't rule out some hail a little bit further to our south. We are going to see some heavy rain out there as well. But for tonight, not a whole lot to worry about. Mostly cloudy skies building in. Temperatures staying mainly in the 60s, but by tomorrow, rain and storms are back. Winds gusting up around 25 and 30 miles per hour with this system. And as far as our rainfall totals are concerned, this is just going to be around 1. We could see anywhere from a ½ inch to 2 inches of rainfall possible across parts of middle Georgia just through early Saturday morning. So definitely get some heavy rain in those bands that we're going to start to see. Now, round 2 is going to come in on Sunday as that next cold front pushes through. That should be out of here by Sunday night, and we should be staying dry as we head into next week, warming up back into the 80s by the middle of the week. Just 10 seconds, I'll look at our 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's volumechevrolet.com.
And here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. Temperatures will be hanging out in the low 70s tomorrow, but the big story is going to be the rain and that potential for a few strong storms. By Friday, more scattered activity pushing through, and Saturday is really going to be our nicest day. By Sunday, though, rain will be returning, and for much of next week, we're going to stay dry.